Hi friends, now I want to just tell you in brief about an operation and its results. A study was done mainly because many a times if a patient dies during an operation, the family and other friends of the patient try to harass the doctors and even try to kill him or her. But in this experiment, a study of 100 patients was done and was found that only 90 patients felt better after an operation. 7 didn't feel any difference, and 2 suffered a stroke during the operation, and 1 person died in 100. He or she could die maybe due to a heart attack during the operation. Also, the 2 that suffered a stroke can die if not given timely treatment. So, friends, during an operation, very rarely a patient can die due to many other reasons other than any mistake of the doctors involved. Please remember that ultimately it was God's will to take that person away. I have undergone 9 operations after a major accident, but I remained alive. God kept me alive for some purpose. But if a person dies, we must realize that at that time, God didn't want to keep that person alive anymore, and that's why the person died. Always, we must not blame the doctor. If a patient gets a heart attack during an operation, the doctor cannot be blamed. Very rarely, it can be some mistake or negligence of the doctor. But mistakes are not purposely made. Remember that. All are human, doctors are human. If a person dies during an operation, don't harass a doctor. It was God's will and accept it. Doctors for an operation first of all have to study lots of medicine and then do practicals, practice all that, and then only they can do the operations. Doctors put in all their time, efforts, and resources, all the instruments used, and all the things that cost so much to help the patient to recover. Doctors are only instruments of God. Finally, it is the decision of God who is the judge, whether to keep the person alive or whether the person should be dead. Please understand and stop harassing doctors. If doctors were not there today, so many of us would have been dead with so many diseases. Doctors, without thinking of themselves, take care of patients day and night. So, friends, do remember my words. Understand the doctors that they are doing their best to heal the patients, and don't ever try to fight with the doctors or harass them or threaten them or try to beat them and kill them. If anything happens like this, take care. Lots of love to you all, and bye for now.